this is it. This is who I am. This is what I look like. This is the breakfast of champions. Oatmeal, assorted nuts, raisin. This is the most strategic part of the race. Four, three, two, one. Lovely time to be here at the Pasadena Rose Bowl running the Rose Bowl Half Marathon. If you've seen my other videos, I essentially slip in, talk a little bit about things, and then dip out so that you can hear the sounds of the day. From here, everyone takes the same route. We're going up this hill, curving through the neighborhoods that are nearby until we get to the next hill. Now this one's a doozy. While the sights are beautiful, the uphill was brutal. And I'm gonna skip forward a little bit after this so you can see where we end up. Luckily, we did have people to cheer us on.
Good work.
Taking in the sights and the sounds, and the sun is as resplendent as ever. Shout out to all the people handing out waters and electrolytes.
Cowboy hat right here, yeah!
A big shout out to everyone that was here, particularly Eagle Rock Run Club, which you'll see at right.
Micah! Hi!
There's something extremely special about having people you recognize and everyone cheering you on right as you go down a small little tunnel.
Let's go!
I had to stick on to the cowboy after going to the Koreatown Run Club Bravo Zone. One of the issues you'll face at the Pasadena Rose Bowl Half is these out and backs. They're a little bit brutal. You cut back all momentum, but I'm going to show you something that kept me going. At this point, I think I've perfected my water taking skills. Takes a bit of practice to get used to.
Thank you.
Up here, we're going to see Lombardi Run Club, which equally has a great spirit out there, and they're always cheering you on. They always have banger music playing. I'll keep an eye out on White Shirt here. We start in the beginning, and we're sure as hell stayed together till the end. They ultimately passed me. Yet another devilish out and back. Perfect technique. I tried my best to catch up to the cowboy since he was running with another person. Now, thanks to his encouragement, I did get under 1 hour 30 for this. Some very encouraging words to keep us two going, get me on my target pace.
Take your breath. Lock in, go get it.
Is he going 130?
He wants to go sub 130, yeah. Okay. You guys are, honestly, that pacer's running great.
Good. Yeah, I'm scared they catch me.
You guys are good here.
And Big Texas Red, although pointing out that we should be cheered on, try to throw it back at you. Thank you, cowboy. You know, video doesn't do it justice. Just hearing all these run clubs cheering you on, and shout out here to Eagle Rock Run Club, just seeing them, their presence, that wacky, waveable, inflatable thing off in the distance, it just feels so good to have them around. Headed back to the bowl.
Thank you.
Good job.
Now, after doing all of downtown, we go over this bridge that is closed off so that we can get our maximum running on, but I found a familiar face and I tried to catch up to them, just giving a little spin before we go.
You got it, Max.
From here on out, it's a very deceptive course. It's a downhill here, yes, for the most part. We did have to climb a little. However, this part is the easiest, the calm right before the storm. As we get here, we get a very deceptive uphill that if you do the Rose Bowl, continuously running it, you really need that training. Classic, if you know, you know. This part here may not look like much, but it's a devilish back half. It's a 3-ish mile loop all the way around this golf course and the Rose Bowl, and it's terrible to take it this way. At this point, I'm huffing and puffing, and it's really difficult to keep going. I almost had to stop here, but I had to fight through it. I don't know what possessed all of us to not go to the right side, but everyone seems to run the same longer distance. Now you'll see people passing me by to and fro that I just can't keep up with it. I'm not strong enough at this point in the race yet. And I told you, keep an eye out on White Jersey. Now he's here. Give a little peace sign here to the photographer. And at this point, it's about less than half a mile so that we finally get to the ending. We get some nice cheers from the people waiting on us, taking care of us, staff. Thank you, everyone. At this point, I'm huffing and puffing, everyone's huffing and puffing, and we're trying to just finish a solid way.
Good job.
This is a very difficult up and down course, but the ending, finishing in a Coliseum, finishing with all these people cheering you on, it's quite concrete based, it's very urban, it's very downtown, but it still feels pretty nice to go through all of Pasadena. Well, not all of Pasadena, but a good portion of it. So I hope you get that Gladiator reference up at the beginning, going through this Coliseum entrance. Really, truly pushing it here.
Baby, you got it. We got this.
But this is quite the entrance. I pick up the pace as much as I can. Camera control goes out the window, and I try to finish in a respectable 1 hour, 28 minutes. Now we'll get into some yappage, but I just wanted to thank you all for watching the video. And there's the final time.
Thank you.
Good job to everyone all around. Hope you enjoyed.
Good job.
And I'll get out of here. Bye.
We did it. Whew.
I had to let you go, bro.
I know.
I was like, this guy's on me.
You had to put in work.
Hey, the minute you grabbed the water, I was like, I'm on. Let him gas himself breathing, trying to drink. I'm gonna use that little cushion.
You pushed the front of that whole group that was going. You were like, chomp, chomp,
Yeah,
chomp.
I had to, but straight up, because I felt you right behind me.
I know.
was like, bro, these guys aren't on me. Good work.
Good job. As soon as I caught up to you, I was like, there's no way this guy's letting me finish.
Hey, good job, man. You're so good. Great work. You look great out there.
Yeah. All right. I love that.